Today we're going to take a quick look at some new 2023 Honda motorcycles and scooters that were just announced. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have new content for you to blow your mind and new tips and ideas. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updated videos in the future. Okay, so we'll start off first with the 2023 Honda NT1100 that was just announced last year. So yeah, no big changes here, with the only updates coming in the way of new colors. You now have the new gunmetal black metallic paint replacing the graphite black from last year with pearl glare white, and matte iridium gray metallic making a return while everything else stays the same. Then we head over to the 2023 Honda NC750X, and it'll be interesting to see just how different Honda prices the new trends up $750 in comparison to this thing, but it returns for this year with some new flavors being thrown in the mix. The NC750X has 3 new color options, with matte jeans blue metallic pearl deep mud gray, and candy chromosphere red, with matte ballistic black metallic making a return for this year but with some new black trim instead of silver, and yes, everything else stays the same. Now let's head over to the 2023 Honda x-adv, one of Honda's coolest automatic adventure motorcycle models, and sadly still not available here in the US. The 750 class bike is getting the new color for this year as well, and I believe it's pronounced chassis white, and with the black accents paired up with the new graphics, this one has to be my favorite. I think it looks awesome, but what do you guys think? Matte ballistic black metallic, matte iridium gray metallic, and pearl deep mud gray returned from last year but with a new graphite black trim to spice things up a bit. Next up we head over to our only scooter in this announcement, and it's the 2023 Honda Forza 750, which needless to say is hands down the fastest scooter to ever roll off Honda's production lines. It's returning for this year with, you guessed it, new color options. You now have a new matte ballistic black metallic pearl glare white, or iridium gray metallic to choose from, with matte jeans blue metallic making a return. And that's the news from this 2023 motorcycle and scooter model lineup announcement from Honda. And now I'm curious, what do you guys think about the new color options, and is there a certain model or color you hope makes it here to the US, or whatever country you're watching from? Let's talk about it all down in the comments section. If you want this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more coming content in the future. See you in the next video.